that it takes less space. Smaller image. Last time was something big. With the skin and everything?
Yes. Yeah, yummy. Raquel doesn't seem really positive for that.
No.
There are small ones.
If you have a reservation, you just eat from that side. Those you have no bones whatsoever.
So I'll show you what size.
So you put this regular traditional one without this side. So this one you're cutting is not.
You have a lot of bones, you know.
You have a lot. It has bones.
Yeah, lots.
Yummy! Bones!
Like
Yeah.
Sorry, but for demonstration purposes.
But it's pre-cooked, right? Or
Cooked?
no,
No.
it's salted.
It's raw salted fish,
Okay.
but it's salted. Side will take marinated salted fish without bones.
I'm curious about that Russian supermarket. That must be cool. Yeah, when are we going to?
Up to you. Or just let's organize and we can drive you. We have a 7-seat person.
Whoa. Oh, you can't take 7 people. Yeah.
Yes, but 2 are in the back.
Yeah, but it's really funny. Except when it's really hot summer.
Okay, this one is in oil.
That you actually sleep.
It's a Volvo, you know, a brake Volvo. So the two last seats are in the trunk. And the opposite side of the way, you just have to lift them up. And we were there during the hot summer, the air conditioning at the end, and I took a picture of Robert when we were watering. That was fun. I want to go back to supermarket. I still want to go to H Market. I'm ready to go next Tuesday. It's booked. Noella, you are there on the 21st?
Katya, you have to be quicker, otherwise this video will be boring.
Yeah, but you can make the cut and copy, so you take only what is important.
Or maybe I can flash forward it, like... This should be fun. I try to do it.
That's the first step. The next step, you cut the onion in stone.
The Japanese sushi? You were trying to go? I was so jealous.
So I went in and I said it's sold out quickly.
Like this.
Yeah, but
I was happy.
it's so fun to make sushi.
Yeah, I would love to. I tried once with my friend. It was great. Okay.
And what? Now what?
So you cut onion in circles. This is important.
In what?
In circles.
Why don't you do them in the cubes like the last time when you did?
In rings, right?
In rings. Sorry. Yes. Yeah, it's okay.
The guy in the counter said you should even do it, so maybe not.
Really blood.
I'll pay you back.